Hey there, food lovers! Did you know you can create a tropical paradise on your plate with just a few ingredients? Today, we're diving into a delicious creamy chicken recipe with pineapple and coconut milk. This dish is a fabulous twist on a classic that blends those bright, tropical flavors we all love with the comfort of a home-style meal. Trust me, you will love this one. Now, let's start cooking. In a pan, melt a tablespoon of unsalted butter. Toss in some garlic, ginger and onion. Sprinkle some salt to sweat the onion to release its moisture and flavor. Once that is aromatic, add the chicken and a dash of fish sauce. Cook over medium heat until all the liquids evaporate. Add the juice of the pineapple chunks. This will help to tensorize the meat. Cover and simmer over low heat for 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. Let's add our vegetables, potatoes and carrots. Don't forget the juicy and fragrant tropical fruit, pineapple. Pour in the coconut milk. By the way, the list of all the ingredients is in the description below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the like, subscribe and notification bell for more delicious recipes. Now, cook for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the vegetables are tender and the sauce reduces. Put the lid ajar. Add the green bell pepper and simmer for another 2 minutes. Finally, season with salt and pepper. To wrap up, we've made a delicious and easy creamy coconut pineapple chicken that's perfect for any dinner occasion. This dish is not only quick and simple, but it also brings a taste of the tropics right to your home. So, if you're looking for a new family favorite, I think you just found it. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to check out our other cooking videos. We love sharing our kitchen adventures with you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty adventures in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!